So I have a little bit of explaining to do. It's not that I was lying to you guys. Sometimes people change and their opinions change. Does that mean I lied to you? Kinda? Just kidding, no I didn't. I feel like a bad person though. But is it my fault? Not entirely. Okay, I just feel guilty. Today's video, we're gonna revisit some of the clothes that I kind of really regret getting and telling you guys to buy because at the moment I thought I really liked it. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this where I confront the truth after realizing I actually don't really like some of these clothes and I suggested you to buy. Again, because my mind changed. Going in strong, I'm starting with this top. Now it looks fine and that's what I thought, but really it is such an annoying shirt to wear. This khaki camel color crop top is from Skims. Kimberly. Okay, so this is the issue. Me, just kidding. One thing I've noticed about this top is that it continuously rolls up. And you know what? This time around, I'm not even gonna blame it on my stomach because I'm tired of blaming my fatty rolls. Okay, even if I pull this top down, eventually it'll scrunch up. And the reason why I think that is, this texture is very thin and stretchy and something about it, just like if you stretch a scrunchie, it's not gonna stay in its place. It's always gonna bounce back. It continuously crunches up. And is that my fault? No, I don't think so. The armpit area is not comfortable. Initially, I thought because this top is so stretchy, flexible, I really thought it's gonna sit well on my body and my crevices. No, this is just like torturous for my armpits. It's one of those annoying things you have to constantly like readjust your skinky, sweaty pits. No one wants to dig in, touch their sweat, and pull out their arms in the middle of summer in front of their boyfriend's parents. I'm rocking too. See, as I'm talking and chilling, this shirt, it tucks under my bra for no reason. Well, no shit, Faye. Get a bigger size. I guarantee you, even if I get a bigger size of this top, it's still gonna have the same problem because the fabric is that tight. It's the shirt, it's not me. I'm taking no blame. Look at my back. It's not like I'm stretching it like down here. Like I'm just kind of trying to put it in its place, natural length, and I bet you in 3 seconds it's gonna go. So you bought this shirt from Skims because of me and you're experiencing the same technical difficulties? I did not mean to be that bitch on purpose. I promise I'm not a mean girl. What did I say? Skims out. Here's the next one. This is actually on my Poshmark. I'm sorry that I have to put it on. I just want to make sure you guys get the full picture. Feel free to check it out if you want to buy them. This is literally for 10 bucks. I might drop this down to 8. And it's not like that. It served my journey and now it's out. So we have this corset rib cage happening down here where it kind of like squeezes all of you into you. So you may be thinking, what's wrong with this top, Faye? Honestly, nothing. Good quality, sturdy, the band is huge, and that's one thing I loved about this top. Still a huge fan. Enticing, temptress. Look at the nice lift in the tatas. I just don't think it's cute anymore. It feels a bit out of fashion, out of style. It feels very Charlotte Russe or Debs. Remember Debs? Did you guys have a Debs? Oh, a Debbie. I just don't like it anymore. The corset is still really nice and cinching, giving me the figure I want. I just don't vibe with it anymore. We're like ex-best friends, you know? It looks a little costume-esque. It's just one of those things where it's actually not you, it's me. So if you got this top and now you're like, Faye, I feel like I'm from 2008, 2008, I'm sorry. That's how I feel too, so we're in this together technically. We can struggle together. Look at that. We lost a friend and we gained one. Who really lost her? Not me. Okay, I was all for this top from Style Nanda. The color, the illusion, the roundness it brings to the chest of besties. Yeah, you better get one. Raving it, loving it, the color, the print, the knitting, but it's uncomfortable. I truly do regret getting this. As much as I initially fell in love with this, it's one of those tops where you want to just burn. I'm constantly readjusting it, pulling this to make sure it's straight in line. This is great quality, no doubt at all, but it's kind of itchy. It's not like a soft rub against your skin. I just feel like I wasted my money on this. I've worn this top once or twice. Ever since then, I've never gravitated towards it. That's how annoying it is. Of course, I can pull it down to extend the strap so it won't slide down, but I just don't think it's a great purchase. And that has nothing to do with the brand itself. It may be too small, and again, this came in one size, so that could be on me. The last thing I will say, do you see this? Do you see this lining? It's not like the top itself is uneven. Is it my floppy tits? This top ends up curving on this side, specifically right here. It kind of hangs over, you know what I mean? As royalty herself, who said it? Marie Kondo. If it doesn't bring you joy, let it go. Is that what she said? She said something like that. Although I told you guys to go get this top, and now I regret having it. it will be on my Poshmark, so if you do want it. Honestly, I do hope this top goes to someone who will really love and enjoy it. I just have to break up with it. No pressure. This is a gorgeous cowl corset. I really do love the champagne color. I need to go get other colors as there are. I highly recommend this top. But something about it doesn't click with me anymore. I don't necessarily regret this, as in like I regret telling you guys to get it, because I know some of you guys will pick up this top and be like, dude, I don't know what the duck she's talking about, especially for the price. I think it makes me look very boxy for a corset. I don't feel like this brings out my best features. I remember wearing it once and I was just like, yeah, this isn't for me. I overhyped it. The fact that this top alone from afar looks super sophisticated and classy, and then you come up close to it and these straps are using lobster claps on both ends. It's a little bit cliche. Quality to this top, wow, very silky. It has a tightening effect. It's so gorgeous, and the claps just make it look cheap. I'm just gonna be honest. I don't know, I just don't really adore it as much as I did when I first saw it. Wow, this feels like a disappointment. I hope this top can serve someone better than it did me. Take it or leave it. This top pisses me off. I highly recommend a top like this, and it has a little cute loophole right there. From afar, absolutely cute. The closer I come to you and the longer I wore this, in my experience, you can tell how poorly made this is. And it's not a shocker. I was way too excited for this halter top because I love halters. I think it's one of the most flattering tops on broader shoulders, although some may disagree. I saw this TikTok where a girl was like, if you have broad shoulders, you should not be wearing halter tops. I'm like, girl, no, it's the opposite. You should be wearing halter tops. But this one, look at the way this backing starts and connects to the straps around your neck. How is this even okay? It's just a lot of the knitting issues. I don't know why I suggested this top, which I'm really sorry about. My Tootsie Rolls right here, don't they make themselves look at home? It's a big no-no, and completely I take accountability. I just let that slip because I was so excited for the pink. I liked it so much that I got this in white as well. I believed. This is definitely a top I regret getting. It literally has no sentiment on your body because of the way it was created. Absolutely not. Like, no. I don't even know if you would want this from Poshmark. Like the other things, great quality and someone can really make use of it. This one, I don't think it's even worth putting on Poshmark. If I'm gonna be embarrassed wearing this, I don't want you guys to be wearing this, so I got your back. This is one of the dumbest tops that I got. Like, I'm sorry, but it's stupid. Annoyed at myself. Even in my original haul, it was also my first time wearing the top. I didn't recommend it. I didn't say like yes or no. I think this is my favorite pink out of all the tops I've tried. But be warned, it will roll up a lot. Yeah, just really bad quality. This is from Shein, I believe. That makes sense. I'm not shocked. The rolling of this top drives me crazy. Imagine this as cutting stockings, putting them on, and it rolling down your legs. Accurate to the T. This cutout, the cut of the shirt literally slices my melon. Do I appreciate that? Absolutely not. Should have returned it. I like to reinstate a lot of these things when I'm hauling them. It's a try on first impression. I don't know how it'll sort out the longer I wear them. I hope you understand. Look at it rolling all the way up now. Absolutely not. The last piece I want to show you guys that I do regret getting is actually a skirt in the same video with a yellow top. Friends, okay, look at this. It's cute, but from this side. So you scrunch the skirt up to get a nice little ruching on the side. I did call this issue out the first time I reviewed it. There is this rising at the back right here. This little hump begins to grow bigger and bigger as time goes on. I wore this skirt out once, and the amount of times I had to pull my skirt down because this became a little weenus. Incredibly annoying and embarrassing. It's not a fun time. Given the front is really cute. Not much else to say. If this doesn't bother you like the skirt, I'm a size 8. You're gonna love this skirt. If you have a belly like me, the draping to the side because of the ruching helps out a lot. It flatters your hips. This can possibly drive me to a wall. Do I love it? No. Do I hate it? No. Do I regret it? Yeah. How can you not fall in love with the print? Adorable. If you want this skirt, you can have it. You know what won't turn the back on me? My nail eyebrows. Sorry, just really love it, okay? I'll link this down if you guys want. The new and improved version, my favorite. That is it for this video. No more guilt on my conscience. Let me know if you guys want a part 2. I don't mind doing it. Just don't hate me and know that I'm being super genuine with my first impressions on my try-on hauls. Sometimes your opinions change and that's okay. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't